Before the 1990s, we spent days waiting for letters to arrive via a post office and stream music from clunky music players. But a lot has changed since then.
The internet can help countries that are lacking physical infrastructure to create digital infrastructure. That infrastructure is lacking in our country at the moment. And what we are trying to do is use digital means, using connectivity and the internet over mobile to create that infrastructure.
Not all of it has been good.
As much as the web has opened up new opportunities for all of us, it also has opened up us to new dangers that we didn't even know existed.
The founding vision of the web was simple: to provide a safe and informative space for everyone to pursue collaborative endeavors that effect positive change and drive economies.
So with the web, there are all these apps that are web-based, like so an Instagram, a Twitter, you're able to promote yourself. And then you can also use that to communicate with people that share the same vision as you. So people go on and like your pictures, send a comment, write you an email from the web. So those are things that are very, very important to see how people work together and how people are able to, a company like Afrotech Girls is able to reach out to the audience.
Since its inception in 2009, the World Wide Web Foundation continues to work to uphold the founding vision of the web as a tool to be used freely, safely, and to benefit the lives of everyone, everywhere in the world.
First of all, we start with education, awareness, let people know the dangers and also the good things that the web has done for us. The other day I was saying to somebody that I get to call my daughter on FaceTime and be with her as if she was in the room with me when she's thousands of miles away. So the web has done really fantastic things for us. So we just need to balance it and educate everybody on the way they should use the web.
The web continues to be a tool for growth and empowerment and fosters the building of communities like Tech Women Africa, a community that brings together African women in technology to debate policy solutions and contribute to policy processes on broadband internet access, women's empowerment, and sustainable development. The World Wide Web Foundation is proud to be associated with the Tech Women Lagos exhibition and celebrates the accomplishments of the profiled women in championing a more holistic technology industry in Nigeria.